Have you ever wondered what happens to all discarded electro-appliances collected by Recupel? Let's take a look behind the scenes. Recupel collects appliances such as fridges, computers, televisions, mobile phones, washing machines and drills from electrical goods shops, reuse centres and container parks. After an initial sorting procedure, they're delivered to transshipment centres before being sent for processing. Reusable electro-appliances are sent to reuse centres, while the rest are sent for final sorting depending on their nature or fraction, as we call it. First of all, they are manually depolluted. This means that all dangerous substances are removed from them. Refrigerators and freezers may contain Freon gas or CFCs. Oil and gas are removed from the compressor, separated and stored. This prevents CFC gases from increasing the hole in the ozone layer and, consequently, the greenhouse effect. Condensers are removed from washing machines because the oil in them may contain PCBs. If this gets into the groundwater, it poisons animals and poses a threat to public health. Many electro-appliances run on batteries that contain cadmium, which is extremely polluting if it gets into the soil. It pollutes plants that are eaten by animals, which in turn end up in the food chain. Cathode ray tubes are removed from televisions and computer screens. They contain lead and barium glass and light-emitting metal powder. This is dangerous waste and must be handled as such. The final step in the manual treatment is the removal of parts that contain precious metals such as gold, silver and titanium. At this stage, they provide purer raw materials. The electro-appliances are now ready for mechanical processing and sorting. They're dismantled and made smaller in a kind of giant mixer or shredder. They're then sorted into a stream according to their properties. Powerful magnets remove ferrous metals such as iron and steel from the components. These metal particles can be used again immediately as new raw materials. Electricity is used to generate magnetic fields that separate non-ferrous metals such as aluminium from other substances such as plastics. Airflow technology separates lighter materials from heavier materials and removes dust by suction. Different kinds of water tables allow heavier materials such as glass to sink and lighter materials such as plastic to float. All the recovered materials are now ready to be reused as new raw materials. For example, it's more profitable to recover gold from electro waste than to dig for it in mines. And did you know that 1 ton of mobile phones will yield 300 grams of gold, while 1 ton of extracted gold ore will only yield 3 grams of gold? The material processing is now complete. The raw materials that have been recovered can be used again in new products, materials and energies. Recupel. Recycle for a more beautiful world.